Good evening. He was scheduled to die last year. Now a convicted child killer is fighting for his life in a new trial. KPLC's Gerron is live now outside the Calcasieu Parish Courthouse, where a hearing has just wrapped up.
Yes, Cynthia. Jason Reeves is the man convicted of murdering Mary Jane Thigpen. At the time, she was a 4-year-old girl from Bluff when he abducted, raped, and killed her. In late 2004, he was sentenced to die. And just last August, just days before that execution was supposed to happen, it was stayed on appeals. Now, Reeves and his defense have filed an application for post-conviction relief. Simply put, he wants that conviction thrown out and he wants a new trial. But the state has objections to that application, and that's what they presented before Judge Kennedy in the 14th District Judicial Court this afternoon. The state has an issue with how an out-of-state attorney contracted by the defense is being funded. They say that if he's being funded through public funds, that's an issue and it shouldn't be allowed. They also have an issue with a number of procedural claims made by the defense. Among those claims are claims of racial discrimination, international law claims, and jury instructions. They say that all of these claims are just new and abstract.
One of the claims that the defendant made was that he is mentally retarded, which is a new claim. And so today the parties discussed various evidence and experts that they have retained, and that is going to be one of the next matters that is addressed, is whether or not the defendant is mentally retarded, because the 8th Amendment prohibits the execution of mentally retarded individuals.
Now, just to give you a little background, every defendant charged and convicted of a crime is allowed to apply for a post-conviction relief. But as you heard, when it comes to capital murder cases, even more scrutiny is taken. So as to when we will know if a new trial is granted or not, Sigler says that because of the nature of this capital murder case and with requests and appeals made by the defense like today, that process will move even slower than they expected. We did reach out to the defense attorney, Kathy Keller, for reaction to today's hearing. She replied with no comment. At your service live at the 14th Judicial District Court, Gerron, KPLC 7 News.